Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the OBS skipped frame detected error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the menu bar. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the settings window where we'll be making several adjustments to optimize your streaming or recording performance. In the settings window, look at the left panel and click on Output. This section controls how OBS processes and exports your video content, which is crucial for fixing frame skipping issues. Once you're in the Output section, navigate to Output Mode and click the drop-down menu right beside it. From the options that appear, select Advanced. This gives you access to more detailed settings that can significantly improve your stream quality. Now look for the bitrate setting and right beside it, enter 6000 kilobits per second. This bitrate is a sweet spot for most streaming scenarios as it provides good quality without overwhelming your internet connection or causing frame drops. Next, navigate to Video Encoder and click the drop-down menu right beside it. The encoder you choose here depends entirely on your graphics card. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, select NVENC H.264 or NVENC AV1. These encoders use your graphics card's dedicated hardware for encoding, which takes the load off your CPU. If you're using an AMD GPU, select AMD HWH.264/AVC. For Intel GPU users, select QuickSync H.264. It's important to avoid X264 in this case, as it relies on your CPU and can cause performance issues and frame skipping. After configuring your streaming encoder, click the Recording tab at the top of the Output settings. You'll need to apply the same encoder settings here to ensure consistency. Navigate to Video Encoder and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Again, select NVENC H.264 or NVENC AV1 if you're using NVIDIA GPU, AMD HWH.264/AVC if you're using AMD GPU, or QuickSync H.264 if you're using Intel GPU. This ensures both your streams and recordings benefit from hardware acceleration. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Video. This section controls your resolution and frame rate settings, which directly impact performance. Look for Base Canvas Resolution and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Select your monitor resolution, for example 1920 by 1080. This ensures OBS captures your entire screen correctly. Below it, you'll see Output Scaled Resolution. Click the drop-down menu right beside it, and you can select 1280 by 720 to reduce bandwidth and file size. Lowering the output resolution is one of the most effective ways to prevent frame skipping while maintaining acceptable video quality. To further optimize performance, reduce the frame rate by navigating to common FPS values. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select 30 FPS. While 60 FPS looks smoother, 30 FPS requires significantly less processing power and bandwidth, making it ideal for preventing frame drops. Once you've made all these changes, click Apply in the bottom right corner, then click OK to save your settings and close the settings window. Now, close your OBS app completely. This ensures all settings are properly saved and applied. Next, right-click on your OBS app icon and select Run as Administrator. Running OBS with administrator privileges gives it higher priority in system resources, which can help prevent frame skipping issues caused by other applications competing for resources. That should fix your OBS skipped frame detected error. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.